Hi everyone, this is Dalis, also known as Temporal for Kat Scrappiness. Today introducing the A2 Qbert Quilt Coordinating Stencil, which is a 4x5 stencil. Here is a look at it. This coordinates with the A2 Qbert Quilt covered plate from Kat Scrappiness. Here is the plate. Was from a previous release, and it just coordinates perfectly to cover all the fun geometrical pieces of this cover plate. So I will be cutting this cover plate in craft cardstock, and I'll show you how to use the brand new stencil that coordinates with the cover plate. Here's my card panel that I have created using the A2 Qbert cover plate. I love the embossing that it creates. And now we are going to use the brand new coordinating stencil with it. Make sure that you rotate and flip however it needs to be done until it matches the shapes on the cover plate. One of the ways that you could use this is I'm going to be covering the entire border of these cover plate with washi tape, and then only gonna bring color into the geometric shapes. You could use any type of ink for this, and you could also attach and hold your stencil in place with a magnetic base. I am choosing today to use washi tape, but you could also put it against the corner of a silicone mat like this one. Different ways to just achieve the same end result. I am using Versamagic Cloud White for this, and I am using a foam brush. You see me, I'm actually just applying a lot of pressure here because this pigment ink pad, it's very, very light, so you need a good pressure and a good amount for actually being opaque enough to show. But the look is amazing. It's my favorite white. Does not have any glitter or anything. It's just matte and it's just like a cloud. It's just gorgeous. You could use some of the Kat Scrappiness blending brushes and use some dye-based ink to add more color, and you'll see some of those options as I present some of the design team member cards at the end of this introduction video. I am almost done, and you notice that I am rotating my foam brush as I apply the ink. And this is not sped up. This is my usual speed for adding ink and blending with a foam. And again, I am putting some good pressure because I want it to be pretty opaque against the craft color cardstock. Almost done, ready for the reveal. And I am going to be removing all this tape and showing you what a gorgeous, super fun look. It's very eclectic, very modern. It is a great background for any theme card that you can be making. Just pulling my washi tape carefully just to make sure that I do not tear any of my card. And let's look at the reveal. I love it. I love the look. This is such a graphical, fantastic look. And now you have not only the stencil, but the relief that creates by the cover plate. Here I'm bringing a little bit of the vintage romance images. This is the bicycle. This is the biggest piece. It is a 2 3/4 by 4 inches wide. And I just love it. Here is the final look of my card using the A2 Qbert Quilt Coordinating Stencil and some of the vintage romance stamp set. and a little bit of Hugs and Kisses sprinkle mix and Twitter patter sprinkle mix. They are the perfect combination. Just love this look. I really hope you give it a look. Check out the store, both the A2 Qbert Quilt coordinating stencil. It's clover plate dyed if you don't have it from a previous release, and this vintage romance 6x8 stamp set in collection. Here's a close-up look to my car, and I will leave you with some amazing samples from the designing team crew from Kat Scrappiness.